Okay, over here at the hone. So I don't want to get my good mic all dirty, so I took this mic here and I set it. We're 80.5 on one side, we're 81 on the other side. So that's about what we got right now, and it's the correct way, small and big. So now this is set to be what my other mic was, because this mic's an old mic. It's a good mic, but it's old and used and worn, so they are what they are. I'd rather have this full of oil than my good digital one though. Big difference between screwing up a couple $100 mic, that's probably only worth about 30 bucks these days, and one that's worth several $100s that I bought new. So it looks like it's 1 o'clock right now. So we are coming to the end of a nice short day. So let's get some honing done. Let's see if we can make a mess here. I don't know how this is going to work out. My guess is not too good, but we'll see. I know for a fact I'm going to get hot, so we're going to take the sweater off. Let's start working to get some sweat going. There. Oh, matching blue shirt. Look at that. Alright, so where is my tools? Okay, that one's gone. This one needs to go find a spot over here that will work. That will not work. That one will. Too loose. Probably about the same as that last one. That's almost there. So we got this one, or we got this one. This one's closer. Let's use this one. This one needs a stone in it. We'll find some stones. Man, they don't want to move. Okay, what do we got for stones laying around here? We need to wear out some stones. That looks like a worn out stone right there, but that's the wrong size. Those will work. Yeah, there's a number for it right there. Read it. Feels pretty fine. Oh, that's a nice rough one. So that's a 7. This must be a 90s. See the difference? We're going to eat up this one. Alright. This is a crappy one. It takes an adapter. Shit, they want like 70 bucks on these stupid adapters these days. Buy a new manual for that almost. That's it. Drop it in the goo. Wobble, wobble, wobble. No, I don't like wobble, wobble, wobble. Turn 180 degrees, put it back in. Doesn't wobble no more. I don't know why they want to wobble. Okay, so I'm just going to hold this with brute force. Try to hold it. Working better than expected. hot. It's a small, just the bigger size. Now it's getting hotter. Now this side's getting hotter. This side is still in flux more, I guess. Usually wherever you get heat, you're going to work all right. It's pretty even now. All right. Almost 83. Almost 83. They're pretty equal. See the dial? We need to get up to 86 and a half, 87. So we are not quite halfway there yet. I'm going to crank the pressure up. So I'm not working hard enough. Put a spin in there for a minute. Well, it's definitely working harder now. Twice as hard. I'm increasing my grip strength on my left hand. Yeah, definitely more work going on. Oh, that is stretching muscles out again. Well, that was a whole half a thou. This is going to be hard. I was hoping I was going to take out a thou or two. Yeah, and it wouldn't be that easy. See, once you get all the machining done in there, now we're full 100% cut metal. It's going to take a while. Try and get the other hand going. This hand's a little stronger. Maybe we'll get a little more grip. Crank it up some more. I'm not doing much. I'm pulling pretty good back side to side. Blood back in my hand. Oh yeah. I took out a full thou. Cranking that pressure up, now we're up to where the stones want to be up the stone. Move that one. squishy hand over here. Hanging in right this minute. I was able to hang with it that time. It's definitely a workout. 84 3/4, and it's hot. 84 1/2 there. All right. Now if this slips on there, it's a bad sign. It's not even attempting to go in the hole, that's a good sign. Well, it's bad that I got to hold more, but it's good it's not too big. Okay, I'm going to switch hands again. Take that pressure up. I got this much holding power. I feel that sucker digging in hard. I can feel it in my hand too. Whew. Stuck at 80. That's 85 1/4. 85. Okay. Let's see, I got it cranked up real good. Let's see if this will hold on. Get a good grip on that sucker. Oh, I had it. Hold on, bastard. There we go. Full pressure. It's on it. Hold it. Slipping a little bit. Hold it. Grip on it. Blood back in my fingers. See how the tips are all white? There's no blood in them. Ooh. Alright, that's definitely 85 1/2, big time on that end. About the same there. Nope. More pressure. Crank that kid up. That's low right there. Damn, I got that thing cranked up over there. I don't think I'd ever get that kind of holding power on that thing. Halfway up the dial over there. That's rod race material. We're at cylinder honing pressures right now for doing big cylinders. Ooh, a little over 86. 86. Trying. Not on that side though. Alright, let's try this side. I don't think this hand will hold that much pressure. Find out. Oh, we had it. Yeah. Not quite wide open. Oh, shoot. Going for it, isn't it? Not yet. On it. There it goes, full power. Yep, got it. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Jeez. Whew. Oh, that has got some pressure on there. Whew. Man, my wrist is starting to hurt from that. See, I'm digging my fingers in a low spot, right? This low spot's only 1.5 thou deep at most. That's what I'm digging my fingers into. I can feel it out around, and I'm taking advantage of that thou out around, or whatever the hell it is. 2 thou maybe. It ain't more than 2. But I can feel it. Have to wedge my fingers in there to grab it though. Okay, that's 86 3/4. 86 1/2. It's definitely trying to go on. Problem is, once it's on there, I don't know if it'll go all the way down. I'd have to make some kind of a tool even to push it on there. Oh, I have a tool. The bad piece. That's right, I do have that. But it ain't deep enough to go on, it has to go down this far. Yeah, I'm gonna take some more out of that. Okay, back to good hand. Full power again. Oh yeah. Oh. Too much. Get it in there. That's it, almost. all of it. Wash up. Whew. Oh, that is. Whew, that is on there. Oh, it's trying to go. There it goes. We got it. Okay, it's trying to go. That's close you don't get to being easy. Don't lock up on there. Alright, so a little heat. It might go in, there's probably only a half a thou. At most, if that much press on it right now. What are we up to? 87 and a half, yeah. 86 and 3/4. Or 87, I mean, that's 87. 87 and a quarter. 87 and a half. Yeah, that's why it's so close. We're within a half a thou. Okay, I'm going to go clean all this oil off and see what we come up with. We'll be back. Okay, here's where we're going to break everything. Okay, here's the sleeve, all cleaned up. You can see the honing finish in there. Here's the reamer, all ready to go. So I was trying to figure out something to hold this with. So these here, actually the reamer goes through the hole. So it's pretty good for pushing on. This isn't very hard, so I don't know how much pressure am I pushing on that. So these are heat treated washers from the milling machine. They're pretty stout. So if I put that on top of that, I can push on something pretty good. This hole's a little bit bigger than the one under it though. This shoulder here is slightly bigger than this side, so if I flip it around like that and push like hell and press over here, it should go down. The problem is if you cock this at all, it'll bend this thing in a heartbeat. And it'll probably break the tips off here. So I got a couple pieces of soft aluminum here I can put up on the top to protect the reamer a little bit and hope for the best. And I'm going to put some sleeve retainer Loctite up here on the inside and we'll see how far it goes. If it locks up, we can always press it off with heat. Heat will break the Loctite free. I don't want to preheat it right now because I won't be able to hold on to it. That's going to equalize temperature before it gets down all the way anyway, so it doesn't really do much. So, time for the moment of truth. So this will make it not want to go down. I'm only going to do a couple inches at the bottom. I'm not going to do all of it. I'll never get the damn thing on there if I go it all the way down, I bet. Unless this really goes easy, which I'm not holding my breath on that happening. Why would anything go easy around here? So I'm just hoping I don't break this damn thing. Okay, so that goes on there. Okay. It doesn't go all the way up. Great. He's got to stop and come back again. Wonderful. This will tell us how easy it's going to be right here. Setting is very important. Oop, can't do that. All right. have to stop and recenter every now and then, or at least turn it. Oh, that's going a lot easier than I thought it was going to go. Oh, it's getting tight there though. Oh, it got tight at the end. Oh, I came up with that radius up in there. Yeah, I got real tight down there. Okay, it's on there. I think it's going to fall off anytime this week. Yeah, when I got to the radius at the bottom, I got real tight. I gave it some pressure, put a couple tons on it. Yeah, it kind of got easier once I got down further because I think it was bigger on this side than down in here. So could have had another quarter of a thou more press fit, would have been nice, but you don't know that until after you do it. So right now it looks like it's a pretty good job. So it's in there. I'm going to put some capillary action Loctite right here tonight and let it sit in here. Sit on top of this, and it'll seep in there. If there's anything to go down, it'll seep in. I'll come back tomorrow and I'll turn this, and hopefully I didn't bend this thing. I don't think it did. It went in pretty easy. So, yeah, relatively easy. It was starting to be a pain, but that last, where it got hard down here, you can definitely tell it got bigger. That extra half a thou, whatever, you can feel it. Alright, so I'll put a little Loctite on that. We'll call this one done for the night. And it's almost time to go home. I'm going to be here at 2 o'clock tomorrow, so 12-hour days. There you go. Time to go home.